Hey guys, Gabe from Donley Ford. In case you haven't seen it, we have a lot of new inventory on our lot. Let's go take a brief look on this brisk day, and we'll go over some of the inventory we have currently on our lot. We do have our new vehicles here. Of course, we have our F-150s. Still some incentives on those. A couple rows down, you see some Escapes, some Explorers thrown in there. We even have a Lightning capping it off. We do have this nice Accord over here, Ranger Lariat, Lincoln Nautilus, cooking recently a 22 Lincoln Navigator. As you can see, guys, our truck line is stepped up quite a bit. Whole row of trucks here, all makes, all models to choose from. Coming to our SUVs over here, we do have some nice Bronco Sport leading it off, CX-5, Subaru in there, couple Edges, couple used Explorers. We have basically anything that you guys want. Of course, we do have our Donley difference. With that, you do get a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, and we have over 100 vehicles that fall under that category. I'm sure we have something for you. Stop in today, guys, and let's discover the Donley difference.